Hello everyone, welcome back. Yes, so as you all can see, we are going to make this only. So this can be your badge also, okay? You can put a safety pin here. It can be a badge also. It can be a wall hanging also. You can put a string here or ribbon here. It can be a wall hanging. So whatever you want to make, you can make. I'll just put it here for your reference. Okay, so now the material required. What all material we require here is orange color sheet A4 size, green color sheet A4 size, and white color sheet A4 size. Okay, Fevicol, of course, very must, scissors, okay, to cut your circles, and a blue sketch pen to make this wheel here. Okay, now I'll tell you the measurements. Okay, so please be very careful about the measurements here, otherwise your work will not look nice. Okay, so first let's tell you about orange. So let's keep green and white aside. Let's tell you about orange. So I'll write also, okay, so that it is like easier for you. 4 circles of 6 centimeters of diameter. ठीक है, 4 circles you have to cut 4 circles of 6 centimeters of diameters, which is 3 centimeters of radius. Got it? So we are going to cut 4 circles 6 centimeters के diameter के, ठीक है, और 3 centimeter के radius के. Okay, I hope everyone knows how to take the size, okay, using a compass. And if you don't know, just look for any circular object and measure it. If it comes in between 5 to 6 centimeters of diameter, you can use any object. Okay, how you're going to measure it? Suppose this is my cap here, so I'll put my scale right here in the center, and I'll see, okay, it is coming like 5.8 or something, and almost 6. So we can use this size. Okay, so 5 to 6.5 की रेंज में अगर आ रहा है आपका कोई भी सर्कुलर ऑब्जेक्ट, यू कैन यूज़ दैट. अदरवाइज यूजिंग अ कंपस we can also make circles here. Got it? So how you're going to measure that, I'll tell you. So first we put a pencil in a compass, and then using a scale, so we'll calculate 3 centimeters of radius here. ठीक है, 3 centimeters of radius को measure किया, then we'll put here, and then we are going to draw. Okay, now we are going to cut 4 circles, right? So cut 4 circles quickly. So now I'm done with my 4 circles of orange here. ठीक है, now we'll keep them aside. Okay, now we'll take green. Same for green. 4 circles of 6 centimeters of diameter, which is 3 centimeters of radius. ठीक है, 4 circles of 6 centimeters of diameter and 3 centimeters of radius. Again, cut 4 circles here with green. 4 from green, 4 from orange. Okay, we'll keep them aside. 4 from green and 4 from orange. इन सबको हम साइड में रख देते हैं. Now we have our white with us. So white में we're going to cut 5. Okay, so from white, how many circles we're going to cut here? We're going to cut 5 circles, okay, from white color, which is again of 6 centimeters of diameter and 3 centimeters of radius. Got it? So 5 circles from white. Cut it quickly. Okay, so let's quickly recap now. 5 circles from white, 4 circles from orange, 4 circles from green. ठीक है, अब एक हम बनाएंगे बड़ा सर्कल white से. Okay, so now we are going to make one big circle again with white color. So these 5 we'll kept aside. Now this one will be of 8 centimeters of diameter, that means 4 centimeters of radius. Okay, so we'll calculate, we'll just measure it, 4 centimeters of radius. Okay, and we'll make a big circle. This is our base here. Okay, this is our base, and please don't waste any paper which is left out. Okay, you can reuse them on any craft. Okay, if you will make any other craft, you can reuse them as any time. So try not to use paper, waste paper. Okay, and try to reuse, and always make on the sides. Okay, so don't make this big circle in the center. If you have any extra paper kept with you, which is okay, just always make the circles on right or any shape from which you just need a small piece of paper. Okay, so we'll cut this bigger size paper, this bigger size circle. This is our base here. Okay, so this will be this part, the base. You can even use any rough paper, like in this one I have used any rough paper here. So you can even use any rough paper here as well, or any ruled sheet will also work. Any ruled sheet. So my circle is ready. Now it's just very fun part is left, just pasting, folding and pasting. That's it. Okay, now cutting part is done. So before folding, what we are going to do is, हम एक छोटा सा सर्कल, एक बड़ा सर्कल साइड में रखेंगे. ठीक है, this bigger one and the smaller one we'll keep them aside. Now we have 4 from white, 4 from orange and 4 from green. Now we're going to fold them. Fold half. Okay, and leave it. Fold it, leave it. Do this with each and every circle left with you. White. Okay, 4 from white done. Now 4 from orange. Fold it. So this is very easy. Okay, if you'll do it nicely, it will look very pretty. Just follow the steps, that's it. Fold them half, fold them into half. Just fold them, nothing else. ठीक है, ग्रीन से हो गया, ऑरेंज से हो गया, वाइट से हो गया. ये छोटा वाला वाइट हम साइड में रख देते हैं. अब हम बड़ा वाला वाइट लेते हैं. नाउ वील पुट फेविकॉल. अब हम यहाँ पे वील पुट फेविकॉल. एंड नाउ दिस प्रोसेस इज़ क्वाइट लाइक इट्स वेरी क्विक. ठीक है, आपको जल्दी जल्दी करना होगा. नाउ वील टेक ऑरेंज. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड इज़, folded wala part will be downwards and open part will be upwards, facing upwards. Okay, so this is the fold here. We'll keep it downwards and we'll paste it like this, half out, half in. Got it? Diagonally like this. Now quickly take the second one and paste it below it. Wait, I'll show you. ये वाला paste हुआ. अब open नहीं करना है इसे. ठीक है, don't open, lift करना है पूरा पूरा. उसके पीछे अब ये वाला फिट कर दो. डन. ओके, लिफ्ट इट. ओके, लिफ्ट दिस थर्ड वन, सेकेंड वन. नाउ लिफ्ट इट एंड फिट दिस वन below this one. Okay, so we are lifting and pasting, lifting and pasting. All 4 of our orange are done. Now just see that every opening is right here. Open here, open here. It's opening like this. Okay, the closed part is downwards, the open part is upwards. Now same you have to follow till you are done with your wall hanging here. Now white. 2 whites here. Lift the orange one and fix the white one. Now lift the white one, fix the another white one. Same for this side. ठीक है, same for this. Lift the orange one and fix the white one. See, you have to be very quick. If it gets stick now, then you will not be able to lift it. Okay, so little quick, you have to be very quick here. Like this. Now we have the green ones with us. Now we'll just put the green ones now. Lift it and fix it. Okay, lift it and fix it. Okay, done. Now this part here, the circle which was left with us, now we'll make a wheel on this. Okay, using a sketch pen here. So standing line, sleeping line, slanting lines or diagonal lines. Just keep on making lines and lines and lines. So if you want to make 24, you can make 24 also. I told you before that it can be a badge also and it can be a wall hanging also. So for badge, I'll just tell you how to put the safety pin. Okay, and for this you can even use a double tape. Just double tape it and it will just put it here, or use a Fevicol, whatever you wish to. And for wall hanging, you can just take a ribbon or rope, hang it. Okay, just take a ribbon or rope, hang it with the help of tape or anything. Okay, and for the badge now, for the safety pin thing, I'll just tell you. I need to take the safety pin out. So we have the safety pin here. Okay, just close it, keep it. Now take a strip of white or any color sheet, whichever you have with you. It's a small strip. Okay, so this much small strip of paper. Now put your safety pin inside it. ठीक है, ओपन वाला पार्ट बाहर, क्लोज वाला अंदर. अब आप यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे फेविकॉल पुट करोगे. ओके, जस्ट पुट सम फेविकॉल हियर एंड हियर. सी, ये बाहर वाला पोर्शन है सेफ्टी पिन का. ओके, so this is the outer part, that one is the inner part. Now we are going to paste it. So your safety pin is still in. Okay, it will not come out, and you can use it as a badge, or you can make it as a wall hanging, whatever you feel like, and they will look very pretty. Okay, so I have also I've made this one also, so they're all looking very pretty. Okay, so wish you all a very happy Independence Day, and I'll be waiting for this artwork. Okay, so try to share the pictures as soon as possible, and have a good weekend. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you.